Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to search data on Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First, open your document, then press Ctrl F. Find a sheet, type anything. Example, type find apple, and now see this apple, all apple data highlighted. Apple juice, apple candy, apple pie, apple chips, apple cake, etc. And change replace with type your data or any name, match case, okay, and apply step 2. Click anywhere, use to this formula, press copy, search, round close bracket, apple B2. First press equal, press enter. See this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.